Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to create and share a Steam invite link so you can easily add new friends to your gaming network. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged into Steam, direct your attention to the top menu bar of the application. Here, hover your mouse over your username. This will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, select Friends. This action will take you to your Steam Friends Management area where you can view your current friends list and manage your friend requests. On the left side of the screen, you'll see various options related to your friends and social features. Look for and click on Add a Friend. This opens up different methods for adding people to your Steam Friends list, giving you multiple ways to connect with other players. Now navigate to the Send a Quick Invite section. Below this heading, you'll see a unique invite link that's been generated specifically for you. This link is what you'll be sharing with people you want to add as friends on Steam. Right beside this link, click the Copy button. This instantly copies your personal invite link to your clipboard, making it ready to share through any messaging platform or social media. Once you've copied the link, send it to the person you want to add as a friend. You can share this link via email, Discord, WhatsApp, or any other messaging service you prefer. When the person receives your invite link and opens it, they'll be prompted to sign into their Steam account if they aren't already logged in. After signing in, they can send you a friend request directly, streamlining the entire process of connecting on Steam. Here's something important to keep in mind. Each invite link you generate can only be used once and automatically expires after 30 days. This means if the person doesn't use the link within that time frame, you'll need to generate a new one. This security feature helps protect your account from unwanted friend requests and ensures that your invite links can't be misused or shared indefinitely. And that's it. You've successfully created and shared your Steam invite link, making it easy for others to connect with you on the platform. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.